Is your navigation unit in the new Generation 9-3 having difficulties reading the navigation disk? Well, it's probably an issue with the laser. Either it's the laser that is defect or it's just dust covering the laser. So in this video I'm going to show you how to clean the laser without removing the head unit from the car. So stick around. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Marcus and this is Saab Cars, and welcome to a sunny Hawaii. No, it's not really Hawaii, it's just a few plants. Maybe Hawaii was a dream I had the other night, can't remember. But anyhow, today's video is about cleaning the laser lens for the new Generation 9-3 in the original navigation unit. And this is all done keeping the unit in the car. This is something that my friend Ruud from the Netherlands is going to show you right now. Over to you, Ruud.
Hello. Today I'm going to show that, obviously as you can see, this Saab 9-3 navigation is showing a read error on the DVD. And I'm in the process of repairing this and including improving the cooling and eventually putting a Bluetooth module inside. But before I do, I hope to show that cleaning the laser can quite often help to solve the problem of a reading error, and especially if you do that timely, it stops wearing and tearing the quality of the laser, and you can use the laser longer and you don't need to replace it. So what I'm going to do is eject the DVD, then clean the laser, and hopefully with the same DVD you can see that it does read it, at least in standstill. So of course I have to press the eject to take the DVD out. It's an original DVD, no scratches. And you have to carefully, starting from the right side, pull back the rubber sleeve, which allows you to have access to the DVD sleeve. This is the CD sleeve and this is the DVD sleeve. And then with an extended cotton swab and a light, you can, and I've done this a couple of times, you can actually see the laser and clean it, which is something I'm going to do right now after I put on my glasses. And then hopefully we can see the effect of simply of a cleaned laser. And it's not just a laser which shows already a little bit of dirt on it. If you just clean a little bit of the surroundings of the laser, you can see how extremely dirty these lasers can get on the inside. I haven't cleaned the whole system yet, but just to give an indication how, I hope it's visible in the camera, not really, like now it's visible. You can see there's quite a bit of dirt, and I've seen them even more black. So, and anyone can do this by themselves. Just clean the laser, put the flap back, and then insert the DVD again. And without closing the flap, there's a little button on the right hand side, which if you press it, it actually shows the screen. So you see now, and I'm lucky that indeed this already makes a difference. It's just showing the map. It may still have difficulties because the laser is probably somewhat damaged, but at least, and maybe the system, if it was cleaned timely, it could have been on the road without any problems whatsoever. So this is what I wanted to show.
Thank you for the great tip, Ruud. Sometimes it's not enough just cleaning the lens, sometimes you actually need to replace the laser module. And this is something that Ruud can help you with. That's one of his services. So you take out the head unit from the car, ship it down to Ruud, and he will replace the laser module for you. And while the unit is at Ruud's desk, he can also add Bluetooth functionality to the unit, which means that you don't need your Bluetooth dongle to stream music and that's horrible 3.5mm aux cable. So this is really nice, and while you're at it, why not get the latest navigation disc as well? So regarding all of the offers and services that Ruud has, just send me a message either here on YouTube. You go to the About section and you will find some contact information there, or you will find me on Instagram or Facebook, and just drop me a message and I will get Ruud's information to you. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay fresh and stay healthy.